Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can back up video projects and video clips on Microsoft Clipchamp, for example, on your OneDrive account. So let us get started. So guys, here on Clipchamp what you want to do is make sure that you're logged in with the same Microsoft account you use for Microsoft OneDrive, so that both Clipchamp and OneDrive may be connected through the same account. If that's the case, guys, you may enable the backup feature here in the video editor on Clipchamp by clicking into that small cloud icon for the given video project. So make sure that you navigate to the given video project and click into this backup icon here to back it up to OneDrive. Also make sure that you have enough cloud storage for that, and then enable it here and wait for the backup to be finished. As you can see, it may take a moment. And it will be then saved to OneDrive, as you can see. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.